Yo, yeah, we are in St. Joseph, Michigan. We are down by the beach on Lions Park Drive. Right here, they're opening up this baseball company. It's like a fruit bowl, and now they got some ice cream. Anyways, we are going. This is Silver Beach right in front of you. It is kind of raining a little bit. You can kind of see the pier right there. It doesn't look like anybody's at the beach. The birds are all out. It kind of just started raining, but yeah, we can drive a little bit slower so you can enjoy the ambience. Wow, there's actually some girls over here on the left playing volleyball. You got some real troopers. School just got out, so. But yeah, there's about 20 different volleyball courts. Over here is where you park to go to the Silver Beach. And then over here on the right-hand side there's a Compass Square. It's like a big fountain for kids to play in. You know, this is the coolest town in the world if you're like under 6 years old, but like, I mean, teenagers, I mean, it's kind of boring. But I mean, it is a good, wholesome family, safe place. Over here is they got a carousel. I mean, who wants to go to a carousel? You know, I like to look, if you're over here is the Silver Beach Pizza, and then, I don't know if you can see it, but you got this, jar right here, this butterfly, breathless butterfly in the jar, going up the steps. And this is the bluff. We're down below the bluff. Bluff is up top. Over here is the St. Joseph River. There's a little park along the river. Goes up to Lake Michigan. And we are going up the bluff. Again, this is St. Joseph, Michigan. There's the band shelter. There's the Whitcomb Tower. Doing a lot of remodeling on that. But yes, we are on the top of the bluff. And I mean, this is, and again, it is raining. Usually, I mean, this is a great place. This would be completely crowded if it was sunny out today, because it's pretty cold. But yeah, there's some parking spots here on the bluff. But yeah, you can see Lake Michigan down there. That's where we just came from. And this is Broad Street, goes straight through the middle of downtown St. Joe. And I'm just going to leave it right here at Cabana's Ice Cream. Oh, and then you can get one of these little Scooter Joes. Go online, reserve one of these little bikes. I don't think they're all taken, but, and get you some Cabana's ice cream.